Guys, what we're gonna do today is my brother's gonna be doing a trick, and he's gonna make himself sneeze.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, Notorious Army. And today, like she said, I'm gonna be doing a trick to make myself sneeze. Here we go.
Get out of
I couldn't do it right now, but first, y'all heard that was a sneeze. And if y'all want to know the secret to this, help us hit 20 likes on this video and 32 subscribers.
Try it again.
Yeah, I'm trying. Okay, I can't do it right now because I've been doing it. I don't know why I can't do it. But if I start back doing, we will update you guys. So, don't forget to stay lit and keep awesome.